This is CBS News Miami.
Off the top at 7, we begin with 2 South Florida firefights. Chopper 4 above the Everglades near Pembroke Pines today, where crews could be seen tackling the flames by air. And a similar scene in Florida City, where another wildfire is burning dangerously close to homes. The smoke visible from some of the backyards in that community. Good evening, I'm Jim Barry. All told, more than 11,000 acres have burned between those 2 sites. An effort to contain both fires are still ongoing. CBS News, Miami's Anna McAllister, your reporter live in West Broward tonight with a look at the headway made so far there. Anna.
Jim, about 25 to 30 minutes ago, we saw really large flames just coming up from behind me. But first responders, they have been working diligently since we arrived. And you could see that smoke still billowing, but it's much more contained than it was earlier. And just within the last 5 minutes, Jim, we've been watching as helicopters have been coming by to this canal, getting the water from the canal and trying to use it to douse the flames. And like you mentioned, forestry officials are saying more than 11,000 acres have burned so far. By air and on the ground. First responders are rapidly working to contain what's being called the Max Road fire in the Everglades in West Broward. Those who live near the fire, like Audrey Gonzalez, are doing what they can to help keep the flames from spreading. She says she feels
nervous, concerned, kind of just being watchful because it's just fire is something that's so powerful.
Smoke started to billow Sunday by US 27 and Chrome Avenue. The smoke still seen Monday afternoon as drivers made their way west on Sheridan Street in Pembroke Pines. Those who live by the blaze say they're closely monitoring the situation. We're keeping an eye on things. We've already set aside some things in case we have to leave.
Now we're going to have to just keep watch, make sure that we do what we can to protect our house and pray that the wind stays to the west.
And forestry officials have been going in and out for the last 2 hours or so since we've been here working to contain the fire. And like I mentioned, it's really gotten significantly smaller since we've arrived. They've been working really hard to contain it. And at last check, it's at least 50% contained. But for now, reporting live from West Broward, Anna McAllister, CBS News, Miami.
Anna, thank you. Things heading in the right direction there, it seems. Thank you very much. Meantime, down south in Florida City, crews are also ramping up the response to a fire that broke out there near Card Sound Road. Now, this fire is considerably smaller than the one in the Everglades, about 300 acres in size. At last check, it also is 50% contained. Card Sound Road is still open at this hour for those going in and out of the Keys.